Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be replacing this oil seal that's for the transmission. Stay tuned. Alright guys, picked up this oil seal. It's for the extension on the automatic transmission. It's where we have a leak. After my dad had been playing around with it, must have nicked it or something. Not sure, haven't checked it out yet, but we need to get the drive shaft out. So the tail shaft, whatever you want to call it. So we need to jack up back of the car as well, get onto jack stands and get under there. Alright, we've got the back jacked up. Just got the cardboard out. See, look at that big leak. It's pretty bad. Not only is it from that rear seal that we will be replacing today, but it's from the pan, which we should replace. What I'm thinking of doing is actually getting the pan off and just making sure it's actually all flat. Because I could have got a screwdriver in there and just bent it, and it's just leaking on that back side. Also, while I'm here, I'll be fixing the wire, main wire there, main power that goes to the front. I have already done the back, but I haven't done the front yet. So we need to get this tail shaft out. First up, we need to clean this up. So I'll get some of my old rags, clean them up. Alrighty guys, so I just chopped that cardboard in half. As you can see, it's gone onto that a little bit. Under here, I've wiped that up. So I'm going to put that there. That should catch anything that drops. But we are actually working up here. So what we need to do is get that drive shaft out. Sorry about some of the angles too, guys. We haven't done any recording under cars that are just on jack stands. For safety, guys, I've got a wheel at the front there, so I can drop down 15 centimeters. And here I've got some wood under the tires, and I've got the 4 jack stands. If one does go, it should be okay. If that 2 is going to go, I'll be alright. Let's see the comments down below. That's so dangerous, you're lucky to be alive. I'm not dead yet. Anyway, let's get this out. So what I need to do is get this carrier bearing out. This one here. And I need to get that shield off there for the diff. And take them out. That'll drop down. And then this will slide out. The videos that I did watch about this, a lot of the time it was getting the exhaust off, getting it around the exhaust. I don't have my exhaust on, and that's why I left it off to make this job easier. I've just got these, I believe, 6 bolts. They look like 14s from here, so yeah, hopefully the light's okay. There we go, that's better. These is here. Yeah, this is loud. They are 14s. One issue, put a cable tie on the back of the middle one on this side. So, gonna lose that, but that being said, with this being out, I could probably tuck it up a bit better. Come on. We'll leave it there. I might just thread this back in. It's probably going to fall down and donk me on the head. A couple of threads there. Alrighty guys, so these are the bolts that we need to get off. I've taken the handbrake off and taken it out of gear so we can rotate it. I've also got some big straight blade screwdrivers so I can stop it from spinning and undo those nuts. I'll come back to you once I've undone them. Take these out, and this will drop down and it will come out of the transmission. So just bring this up a little, sorry, bring this back a little bit so if anything comes out, by the look of it, the back is slightly lower than the front. Doesn't hopefully dribble out too much, probably doesn't have much left in it. Alright, so I'm just out to the side now. Just taking this off. This is going to be heavy that way. Alright, bring that out. And drop the back end. Alright. You're going to get some coming out. Right, let's get this out now. So the pan's there. Just gonna slide her out. Oh, there we go. That a boy. Tilt it a bit. Get whatever's in that end out. No, there wasn't much, but it's good. It's good. Whew. Sorry about the grunting. Alright. Alrighty. Time to get my picks and get that seal out. So hopefully these work. Just to get the seal out. Yeah. To find where the seal goes into. Tuck it off. Out. Oh, it's coming. Let's see what damage I've caused. It's coming. What's that? Oh. That sucks. Alright guys, got the new seal. Just gonna place it in. Make sure it's even. I have a 32mm deep socket. Bought this for my GTIR when I had it for the wheels. It's going to fit over there quite well.
and I've got a hammer behind me. So I just want to tap this in nice and even. Line this up. Right. Looking good. Right, so it's pretty much just reverse of what I just did. So yeah. Hardest part is getting that seal out. If you have the right tools, you'll be able to get it out quite easy. And hopefully it seals up quite well. Now, I do work near a Subaru dealership. I work for a Toyota dealership. So I went into the Subaru dealership, obviously with my uniform on, and I got a bit of a discount. But in Australia, this seal cost me $22 to $25. Online, Parts Q, I think it's called. It was like $3.30. So if you want to wait, get them from there. It's going to get ads free in my inbox on that website. It's going to be like $12 or something for postage, so 25 Australian dollars to get 3 of them for the price of 1 to get it now. Alright, so what I'm going to do is obviously get it back in. So you got to slip the slip joint in there. Yeah, slip joint in there. Now I'll put the bolts in loosely on the carrier bearing. And well, see how we go. Alright, so I'm just putting these 4 bolts back in. And the drive shaft to the rear diff. I'll tighten them up. And I'll put this brace on here. And I'll just nip up nip up these again. They are all the way. So these are 12 millimeters, if you've already forgotten throughout the video. So quite easy process. Obviously I didn't show getting my exhaust off. The exhaust runs along here, pretty much crosses over in this area here, so it's got heat shields, which all these heat shields got taken off. Might have been by the exhaust shop or myself, I can't remember. I have had this Forester for quite some time now, probably 10 years. I can't even remember. It's been a while. Ow. And there we have it. We are done. Replaced. Hopefully that does not leak. So if I drop the back of the car down, obviously it's going to allow trans fluid to sit in that area. So after I get this exhaust on later, I'm going to drop the back again, and we'll just keep an eye on if it's leaking from that area. If it's not, we did it. But just in case you want to know what the part number is, there it is, boys. Alrighty guys, I'm actually going to finish this episode here. Just going to do it on that oil seal, and later on tonight I'll get back under there and deal with all the other stuff under there. If
If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you next episode. Bye.